This video will provide an in-depth understanding of Persian gardens, which are recognized as one of the most prominent examples of formal gardens. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell icon to receive instant updates when new videos are posted. Persia is the present-day Iran located in southwestern Asia. The Persian garden is a collective term for a variety of designed gardens found throughout Iran. This collection consists of 9 gardens, carefully selected to showcase the diverse forms and styles that Persian gardens have taken over the centuries and in different climatic conditions. Each garden has its unique design, reflecting the local culture, climate, and history of its region. Together, they represent the rich heritage and artistry of Persian garden design and provide a tangible connection to Iran's cultural and architectural legacy. The Persian garden was created with the concept of paradise in mind, which is derived from the Persian word parideja, meaning walled garden. The paradise garden is considered an ideal representation of an abundant, lush garden, with 4 rivers of milk, honey, wine, and water flowing from a central spring or mountain, dividing the garden into north, west, south, and east. Persian gardens were traditionally established in areas with hot and arid climates, where water was scarce and precious. To address this, the natural slope of the terrain was utilized to regulate water flow with minimal energy consumption. The Persian gardens are traditionally designed using a quadripartite plan, which is also known as Karbagh. This plan is based on 4 main elements: earth, sky, water, and plant. The fourfold garden plan represents a symbolic interpretation of these elements and their relationship with their divine creator, God. In a Persian garden, the waterways and pools are considered the primary axis in the garden's design, which are then complemented by the pathways made of rows of shady trees and flower beds. Symmetry is the exact match in size and shape between 2 halves, parts or sides of something. In Persian gardens, the concept of symmetry does not refer to an exact geometric symmetry of the garden's elements, but rather emphasizes visual symmetry from specific vantage points, such as the porches of pavilions or the garden's facade. Walls of Persian gardens not only marks the boundaries of garden, but also as a border between the outer, dry land, and the inner area with its shady, cooling components, which reflects paradise. The gate of a Persian garden often serves as a focal point of the garden's entrance. The gate's design is typically ornate and often features intricate tile work, calligraphy, and geometric patterns, all of which reflect the rich cultural heritage of Iran. The gate's size and scale are also significant, often designed to be grand and imposing, adding to the garden's sense of importance and prestige. In some cases, the gate may also include a water feature or fountain, further enhancing the garden's beauty and serenity. Ornamental use of water in Persian gardens is evident in pools, fountains, and waterways. Qanat is a traditional underground irrigation system consists of a series of vertical shafts or wells that are dug to access the underground water source. From these wells, horizontal tunnels are dug at a slight downward slope, following the gradient of the land. These tunnels may extend for several kilometers and are designed to bring the water to the surface at a lower elevation, where it can be used for irrigation and various water features in the Persian garden. Pools are also a common feature in Persian gardens, with some gardens featuring large central pools, while others have smaller pools located throughout the garden. The pools may be rectangular or circular in shape, and are often surrounded by trees, shrubs, and flowers. The water channels in Persian gardens are carefully designed and constructed to create a soothing sound and a cooling effect, as well as to distribute water throughout the garden. The channels may be straight or curved, and often lined with tiles or stones to create an aesthetically pleasing appearance. Fountains are often situated in the center of a pool or surrounded by lush vegetation, creating a striking visual centerpiece for the garden. The fountains may be simple in design, with water flowing from a single spout, or more elaborate, with multiple tiers and intricate tile work. Fountains are also located in water channels. Water cascades, also known as waterfalls, are a type of water feature that can be found in some Persian gardens. They are typically constructed on sloping terrain, with water flowing down a series of steps or levels to create a cascading effect. Vegetation is a fundamental element of Persian garden design, consisting of a carefully selected collection of trees, shrubs, and bushes, with or without flowers, and a lawn. Trees are classified into two categories: evergreen and deciduous trees. Evergreen trees such as cedar symbolize eternal and sacred life, while deciduous trees such as pine trees represent the afterlife. Trees can also be categorized as fruit trees or shady trees, with each serving a specific purpose in the garden's design. Fruit trees, such as pomegranate and sour cherry, are often planted in orchards within the garden and provide a source of food and sustenance. In contrast, shady trees such as plane trees and poplars are planted along water channels and provide much-needed shade and relief from the hot and arid climate. Shade is a crucial aspect of Persian garden design and plays an essential role in creating a comfortable and pleasant environment for visitors. The garden's layout often incorporates walls, pavilions, and trees to provide shade and protection from intense sunlight. A pavilion is typically a small, open-sided structure with a roof supported by columns or pillars designed to provide shade and a cool place to sit and relax. It serves as a focal point and provides a place for visitors to rest and admire the garden's beauty. Pavilions are often situated in strategic locations within the garden, taking advantage of the surrounding vegetation and water features to create a tranquil and serene atmosphere. They may be constructed using a variety of materials, including brick, stone, wood, and plaster, and are often decorated with intricate tile work, calligraphy, and other decorative elements.